How to turn on and off the developer option in Android 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using Android 14 and want to access developer option on your device, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn developer option on and off. So if you are looking to enable advanced settings or just need to turn it off for any reason, just keep on watching. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your phone and open the settings app. This is where you will manage all the settings for your Android device. Once you are there, simply tap on About Phone. This is where you will find all the important info about your device, including software updates and your device model. Now you need to tap on OS version 7 times to enable the developer option on your phone. Now the developer option is enabled. Simply go back to the search bar and type developer option. Tap on it to access all the advanced settings like USB debugging, background process limits, and more. If you no longer want developer option to be enabled, it's easy to turn it off. Simply toggle off the developer option shown on the screen, and the developer options will be turned off. And that's it. You have learned how to turn developer option on and off in Android 14. Whether you are testing new feature or just prefer a simpler settings menu, it's good to know how to manage this. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.